CES was all digital this year. That means we missed out on walking the floor and enjoying a lot of really cool products in our hands. To make up for that, some of the companies have sent us some of the products to check out at home. One of the companies that we were really happy to connect with during CES was GoSun's. We actually made an article talking about some of their more larger products, but they actually sent us this for checking out their stuff. This is a really cool reusable plastic utensil replacement system. So it's this little tiny case. You open it up, and there's a tiny little card. Now you can put this in your wallet. Specifically that you can take it on the go, you have it with you. But these things pop out pretty easy, and you've got a fork, and you got a spoon, and the spoon actually has a serrated edge for cutting. So that way when you're out and about, you could actually use these as opposed to using plastic. Now, a lot of people use plastic silverware, and there's a lot of waste from that. Using a product like this, you can easily kind of just rinse and move on with your life. Is a great way to help out the environment. A lot of GoSun's products specifically focus on that. We hope down the line we will get more time to work with some of their other stuff, like their solar water filtration systems, solar heating ovens, and also they even have a solar coffee maker they released this year. So please keep your eyes peeled to our site. I'll put the link to the other GoSun's products from CES below. But for the small price you pay for this, really cool, convenient, compact silver system is really cool. Well, see you guys next time. Please like and subscribe, and keep your eyes out for more of our CES videos.